So, hello there. In this episode, we will take care of the style part of our clock. Okay, so in last episode, we created the structure and we said, okay, there's gonna be a folder called CSS that's gonna have a file called clock CSS, and that is going to contain our styles. So let's do that. New folder, CSS, new file, there you go, clock.css. Okay, so what is CSS? Well, CSS is basically how we want to show our content, how it looks like, okay, and that's different from the structure. So it contains the styles of the page, and it has rules to modify the aspect of our HTML. So let's do that. First of all, let's make a little resetting thing, to be sure that every browser is gonna show the things similarly. Okay, so let's make a rule that says, take the body of the document and reset the margin to 0 and the padding to 0. Okay, so this is gonna be a little subtle, but you will see it if I refresh this. Okay, really close there to the left part. Great, so let's make a more interesting change. For example, let's grab our h1 and do something with it. Okay, so here we could say grab every h1 and apply this set of rules. For example, for the text color, I'm gonna be using this color that I really like. Okay, there you go. And let's, for example, align it to the center, and let's make it a little bigger. For example, 96 pixels. Okay, this rule, as I said, it should grab every h1 and apply these rules. Okay, so let's see if that works. I will refresh. There we go. Okay, our title and our placeholder. Great. Now let's apply, this is also an h1, but let's apply something specific to the clock. Okay, so to do that, I will be referencing this ID. How do I do that? I will use this hashtag. So hashtag clock, for example. Okay, so this rule should apply only to this element. And let's apply some rules. For example, let's invert the colors. Let's say the text is white and the background color is this color. Okay, there you go. And let's see if this works. There you go. Okay, so this is an h1, but it has a particular behavior because the rule say so. Okay, and right now that's pretty much it. It's really simple because we only have 2 elements. Remember, this is a very complex thing, but in fact there are complete books written about it. Okay, so let's start with the basic. And this is it for styling, and in the next episode we will see the behavior of this clock, which is the most important part. Okay, thank you.